Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever asked an AI for a joke and it always tells a knock-knock joke? Or asked for a story and gotten a very similar plot each time? This problem is called output homogenization, and it's what makes AI feel repetitive and less helpful. But according to researchers at Meta and MIT, this isn't always a problem. Their central idea is that our desire for variety depends entirely on what we're asking. If you ask for the answer to a math problem, you want consistency and correctness. But if you ask for creative ideas, you want as much variation as possible. So, to address this, the researchers first created a task taxonomy. They broke down user prompts into 8 different categories, each with a different expectation for what a diverse answer should look like. For example, a well-specified objective task, like asking for the largest Spanish-speaking country, should have no diversity in the final answer. In contrast, a creative writing task should have lots of different creative elements, like plot, genre, and tone. This taxonomy helps define the rules for the AI. The next step was to use these categories to give the AI better instructions at inference time, which is when you're actually asking it a question. Instead of just saying, "Give me a different response," they tell the AI how it should be different based on the task. For a problem-solving task, the instruction might be, "Solve this using a different strategy." For an advice task, it's, "Give me a response from a different viewpoint." And the results show that this method works incredibly well. This chart shows their task-anchored method in green and orange compared to other methods. For creative tasks, their method generated a much higher number of functionally diverse responses. Crucially, for tasks that need a single correct answer, their method correctly preserved homogenization, avoiding making up wrong answers. This research also challenges a common belief that there's a trade-off between diversity and quality. Many have assumed that as you make AI responses more varied, their quality goes down. But these plots show that when you use task-based metrics for both diversity and quality, you can significantly improve diversity with no meaningful drop in quality. So let's recap the important points. First, AI giving the same answer isn't always bad, it's task-dependent. Second, by classifying tasks and giving AIs specific instructions, we can get more useful and meaningful variety in their answers. And third, we don't have to sacrifice quality to get this diversity. This work provides a framework for building smarter, more nuanced AI that better understands what we're actually asking for, leading to more helpful and creative interactions in the future.